What common problems do restaurants, factories, schools, office buildings, and other businesses share? Dirty restrooms. It's the #1 building maintenance complaint. Everyone is affected. The health, safety, morale, and business success are all impacted by the level of cleanliness in this one room. The cleaning industry has been stuck in a rut in how we clean restrooms. We put great pressure on the custodian to clean more in less time, and then we hand them ineffective tools like mops, spray bottles, and wipers and expect them to work miracles. These ineffective tools do a terrible job of cleaning and require excessive backbending of the custodian and getting down on a dirty floor to clean. It should not take 5 different cleaning chemicals to clean a restroom, and dirty wiping rags can cause cross-contamination from fixture to fixture and to the worker. Mops tend to spread soils into the corners and grout lines, making a breeding ground for bacteria and odors. No wonder the turnover rate is so high and the worker morale is so low. The purpose of this video is to show you a better way. It's called Kaivac No-Touch Cleaning. Through improved technology and training, Kaivac is raising the morale, pride, and productivity of the custodian. This patent-pending system was invented in 1997 when Bob Robinson, founder of Kaivac, combined a water tank with a pressure washer, chemical proportioner, state-of-the-art chemicals, a blower, and wet vacuuming system. Kaivac no-touch cleaning systems use these tools to easily and quickly blast soils loose and remove them, leaving clean, film-free surfaces. Kaivac systems can be used on surfaces like ceramic tile walls and floors, kitchens, showers, stairwells, and other heavy-duty surfaces. After hundreds of improvements and millions of restrooms cleaned, Kaivac is now revolutionizing the cleaning industry by producing happy workers and sparkling clean restrooms in 1/3 the time. Training is the key to the success of any program. Kaivac has developed a network of training experts in the field. Plus, each machine comes with a comprehensive DVD-based training library as well as illustrated placards to help workers with all cleaning procedures. So, let's get started. Kaivac has developed a no-touch cleaning process for cleaning most surfaces. This process is a useful guideline for virtually any no-touch cleaning task. We use the letters in the word SIMPLE to describe this process and to help remember each of the 6 steps involved. The letters in the word SIMPLE stand for set up the Kaivac in the area for cleaning, inject chemicals, manually brush, pressure wash and rinse, loop the spray line, extract and dry. Starting with the letter S, we set up the system for cleaning. Each machine comes standard with a universal fill hose called the Kai hose. Remove the Kai hose from its holder, unwrap and slip it over the sink faucet. The Velcro strap is then wrapped in a spiral pattern over the faucet to tighten and seal the hose. The opposite end of the Kai hose is placed into the fill port. Any kinks in the hose should be removed and the rigid section should be resting on the rim of the water tank. Make sure to use cold water. Hot water is rough on the pump and makes the restroom hot while cleaning. After filling, the Kai hose should be rewrapped and stored in the water tank fill port. Kaivac has developed a rinse additive called Kai Dry, which causes water to sheet off surfaces, preventing water spots and speeding up the drying process. Only 1/2 ounce of Kai Dry is needed to treat a full water tank. The cap and plug system increases safety. Our specially designed caps have a built-in check valve, chemical filter, and are leak and splash resistant. Accurate chemical proportioning is accomplished through the use of metering tips. The different sizes and colors of metering tips allow dilutions of 1 ounce to 20 ounces per gallon. Through use of the proper metering tips, a gallon of chemical can clean hundreds of fixtures for only pennies per restroom. The transparent chemical hose makes it easy to see which metering tip is in use. This cap system also makes changing metering tips easy. Kaivac also provides an alternate chemical injection system called Quick Draw that is available as an accessory. This innovative instant chemical injection system makes no-touch cleaning practical and really fast in small restrooms. For more information, as well as a detailed explanation of how to use the Quick Draw system, watch the Quick Start CD, which is included with every no-touch cleaning system, as well as the Quick Draw information placard. When the machine is ready for restroom cleaning, it should be placed at the entrance to the restroom. The restroom closed for cleaning placard should be displayed to notify patrons that the restroom is closed. The electrical cord should then be unwrapped lasso style, uncoiling only the length needed to reach the nearest plug, preferably just outside the restroom. The ground fault circuit interrupter should always be used and tested when plugged into the receptacle. Before turning the machine on, make a quick inspection of the restroom to remove trash from the floor and flush toilets as needed. The toilet seat should be placed in the down position. Overhead dusting is an optional step in setup. To blow dry or dust, the blow hose is removed from the back of the unit and placed on the floor. The vac exhaust muffler hose is removed and replaced by the blow hose. The vac wand should be used for high overhead dusting. Remove the squeegee head from the wand and replace it with the blower nozzle. The nozzle accelerates the air to 300 miles per hour, making it an awesome dusting tool. Under extremely dusty conditions, we recommend wearing a dust mask. Tops of partitions and door frames are easily dusted without climbing and reaching. At least once a month, the restroom should be high dusted, especially at collection points like air vents, returns, and light fixtures. The next letter is I, which stands for injecting chemicals. Kaivac has developed special chemicals for the unique needs of no-touch cleaning, reducing the number of chemicals used to only 1 or 2 products to clean and maintain most restrooms. Reducing the number of chemicals is simpler, safer, and more productive. For the thorough removal of heavy soils, Kai Bluey blows away all other restroom cleaners. It's low foaming and contains a blend of fast-acting mild acids to descale mineral deposits and remove soap scum. For daily cleaning and maintenance, Kai-O combines citrus delimonene with hydrogen peroxide to make an environmentally friendly, multi-purpose, pH-neutral cleaner that's safe for personnel and building surfaces. With the pump and pressure off, uncoil the spray line lasso style, placing as many coils or lengths of line in your hand necessary to reach the farthest point in the restroom. Select the chemical to be used and turn on the pump. Walk to the furthest fixture, dropping 1 coil at a time to prevent tangles. Each Kaivac comes with a shutoff valve on the end of the spray line that makes it easy to connect and disconnect the spray gun and other tools and accessories. To attach the spray gun, first check the spray line shutoff valve to make sure it's turned at a right angle to the hose. This removes the need to return to the machine to turn off the pump motor when changing tools, and also prevents water from leaking out of the hose while the pump motor is on. If pressure builds in the hose, simply turn the valve parallel to the spray line to relieve excess pressure. The spray nozzle controls the spray pressure and spray pattern. For chemical injection, move the spray nozzle forward into low pressure. This activates the chemical flow. During this time, you should spray the water into a drain or fixture. After chemicals reach the spray gun, rotate the nozzle to the fan pattern, then begin applying chemical. One of the most common mistakes is the use of too much water. To overcome this, note the allotted time shown in this video and on the placards. If you exceed these times, you are using too much water, wasting chemicals, and adding vacuuming time. Move from fixture to fixture smoothly and quickly applying cleaning solution. Only the soiled fixtures, toilets, sinks, urinals, and floor need to be wetted. However, it's important to spot clean other surfaces as needed. The low-pressure spray is referred to as the sprinkle or splash mode. Unlike aerosol cans or spray bottles, almost no chemical is misted into the air, allowing you to breathe without inhaling chemicals. One more time, watch how smooth. Chrome, toilet seat, inside the bowl, no need to lift the seat. The fan pattern will splash underneath and around the base and finish on the floor. There is no cross-contamination from fixture to fixture. The cleaning professional doesn't touch any of the fixtures, keeping him safe and healthy. After wetting all the fixtures, return to the no-touch cleaning system and turn the chemical selector to off, which stops the chemical flow. Then, rinse the chemical out of the line and onto the floor, putting the chemicals to good use. It takes about 20 seconds to rinse the line. M is for the manual brush. You can drop the mop with Kaivac cleaning systems. Mops do a terrible job of cleaning ceramic floors. They merely finger paint the floor with dirty water, depositing soils in the grout lines and baseboards, leaving a 5 o'clock shadow. Dirty grout lines are a major breeding ground of soils and odors. The Kai brush, with stiff floor and side bristles, removes soils from grout lines, even along baseboards. Make sure to pay particular attention to grout lines around urinals, sinks, and toilets to remove embedded odors. Usually, after several uses of the Kai brush, the grout lines will be clean enough that the manual brush step can be eliminated. The brush should be rinsed off before it's loaded onto the no-touch cleaning machine. P is for pressure wash and rinse. The cleaning chemicals have had time to work, and it is now time to change the spray gun to its high-pressure blast and rinse mode. Pull the gun nozzle in, shifting the gun into high-pressure mode. By rotating the nozzle, you can change the spray pattern to fan or pinpoint. For deep cleaning, the pinpoint should be used. Travel in the same circular pattern as in the injection mode earlier. The built-in power of the indoor pressure washer will knock soils and odors out of plumbing, nooks, and crannies that wipers and brushes cannot reach. The spray will not damage quality paint or grout. However, it should not be used on drywall or other water-sensitive surfaces. Work the spray in a smooth, deliberate, top-to-bottom motion for each fixture, blasting and rinsing soils to the floor. Cleaning professionals will really appreciate the Kaivac no-touch cleaning system when cleaning toilets. No longer do they have to get on their hands and knees or reach under and behind the toilet. This patented method begins with pinpointing the flush handle and pipe. Then move down to the top of the toilet and the toilet seat. Next, the toilet seat is lifted and the bottom of the seat is sprayed along with the seat hinges. The spray gun is then inserted up and under the toilet rim for the rim shot. The slam dunk scours the inside of the bowl. Amazingly, the blast does not splash out. After the slam dunk, continue downward, cleaning the toilet bottom and baseboard. Let's see this one more time. Chrome, seat top, lift, seat bottom and hinges, rim shot, and slam dunk. The fine mist generated while cleaning will not damage the toilet tissue. Who said cleaning toilets wasn't fun? The toilet seat should be left in the up position to air dry quickly. The pinpoint blast does a fantastic job removing hidden soils in sink fixtures. For heavily soiled restrooms, it may take several daily cleanings to remove years of soil buildup. By using the fan pattern, mirrors and walls can be quickly rinsed. Pinpoint blasting makes hard-to-clean grout lines a piece of cake. Just point and shoot. L is for looping the spray line. After pressure washing, wrap the line onto the machine. Kaivac has developed a simple, quick technique to wrap the line that keeps it clean and keeps you from bending over, saving your back. It utilizes what we call the right hand rule. Grab a Kai towel, fold it neatly, and place it in your right hand. Now, with that same hand, pull the line and extend your arm fully, cleaning and drying the pressure hose. With the left hand, grab away from the machine about 1.5 feet out. With your thumbs facing each other, bring your hands together, forming a loop on the bottom of the hose. Hook the bottom, let go with the left hand, come up and over the ear with the right hand. Pull out fully with the right hand, grab with the left hand, bring your hands together to form a loop, and continue the process until the hose is completely wrapped up. The hose is now clean and tidy. Rinse off and dry the pressure gun. Turn on the safety to prevent accidents. Mirrors should now be squeegeed to prevent spotting. E is for extract and dry. Remove the wand and set it to the side. Unwind the vac hose, laying it flat on the floor with the hose end on top of the coil. Attach the vac wand to the hose end. To keep the vac hose dry, begin vacuuming at the entrance, working your way towards the rear and from the middle to the walls. When wet vacuuming ceramic flooring with grout lines, the squeegee head picks up best when it is pushed at an angle to the grout lines. As you're vacuuming, listen for the greatest suction sound. This high-pitched sound indicates that you're achieving the best overall pickup. If the wand is too high or too low, you won't be able to vacuum effectively. For puddles, tip the head back and push into the puddle. The extraction step is a key feature in no-touch cleaning. The powerful vacuum removes soils and liquids from out of the grout lines, leaving the floor virtually dry. In the process, bacteria and odors are also removed. In a matter of several cleanings, the buildup soils will be removed and the sour smell will be gone. The lightweight squeegee head with dual squeegee blades and wheels glides across all types of floor materials, picking up dirty liquids in forward and reverse motion. It's much easier than swinging a dirty mop. It also has a low profile, allowing it to pass beneath partitions, toilets, and into corners where a mop just can't reach. The wall is your friend when wet vacuuming. By vacuuming into the wall, it will confine the liquids for faster pickup. This is especially helpful if puddles have developed near the wall. Continue to extract soils to the rear of the restroom. When finished, return to the machine and begin wrapping the vac hose into its holder with the vac motor on. Leaving the vac on eliminates dirty liquid from draining out of the vac hose while wrapping. Before removing the squeegee head, lift the wand upright and tap it to loosen any remaining moisture. The wand can now be stowed in its holder. If the restroom is going into immediate use after cleaning, then the optional blow dry step may be used. The blow hose is located on the back of the water tank. Remove the blow hose as shown earlier. Insert the blow hose into the back exhaust port, giving it a firm twist. Insert the blower nozzle into the other end of the blow hose. Only contact surfaces need to be dried, such as faucets, flush handles, and toilet seats. The remaining surfaces will air dry. Use a top to bottom motion. To blow dry the toilet seat, lower the seat. Then blow dry the flush handle and plumbing. When blow drying the toilet seat, be careful not to point the air blast into the toilet, which may cause a splash. Next, direct the air blast outward while drying the seat. Now return to the machine. Rewrap the blow hose onto its holder and reconnect the muffler hose. Do a quick examination and replace any supplies as needed. If necessary, you can now clean the next restroom. We like to call Kaivac no-touch cleaning machines janitor's closets on wheels because they're designed for dumping and refilling in the restroom. If the vac tank is full, it should be dumped in the next restroom. The toilet is the biggest hole in the building going to the sewer. The ergonomic dump hose feature makes emptying the contents of a Kaivac no-touch cleaning system quick and easy. The upright, highly maneuverable design allows tight turns in a janitor's closet or a restroom stall, and the long 42-inch dump hose allows for a long reach. In a dump sink or toilet, unhook the dump hose and remove the plug, making sure that the water level is lower than the end of the hose to prevent spillage. Empty the contents of the recovery tank. Replace the plug and hook the clip around the cuff. Before the machine is put away, it should be cleaned and inspected. Vac the water from the water tank into the vac tank, emptying the water and flushing the hose. The vac tank is then dumped into a toilet or slop sink, and the vac tank is hosed out. Next, wipe the unit down. The chemical and water filters should be inspected and cleaned as needed. The squeegee should be examined for daily wear and tear. The wheels and squeegee blades are easily replaced when worn. Just pop out the worn wheels and insert new ones. To change squeegee blades, remove the wheel holder, lift out the blades, and replace. As you can see, using Kaivac's innovative cleaning systems is much faster than traditional cleaning methods. By following these simple, productive steps, you can be sure that your restrooms will get clean and stay clean in a way that is worker-friendly, without wasting valuable cleaning time. Once again, Kaivac has developed a way to remove soils and bacteria with safety and cost-effectiveness in mind, whether cleaning restrooms, kitchens, hallways, classrooms, lobbies, stairwells, carpeted areas, or any other area in the building. Kaivac has the solution for your cleaning needs.